Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Out Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we have on this table a whole bunch of equipment. So this is, as you see, some sort of old gear I picked up recently. I couldn't stay away from whole pile of cool looking equipment, even I don't know what the hell is that, for cheap. So, and I picked up this ancient stuff, and now we have to figure out with you what the hell is that. As you see, there is like 5 big ass boxes we have here. 2 of them are identical. These guys are identical the same. I just put them turn around to see the bags, and this unit is something different. So let's talk about each individual unit and maybe we'll figure out what are they. Okay, let's talk about each individual unit. So we have 2 of these guys are the same. It says adaptable system controller. This is actually, it's kind of funny. There is a little sticker here, and under the sticker it says Farnell, and that on this unit. As you see, this unit is quite sophisticated. It has a screen, it has some cursor, it has a whole bunch of numeric keyboard here, and more. I don't know, this is probably power. There is no, it's actually, oh no, here's dedicated power button and the fuse. Looks like a grill because it probably has a bunch of fans in it. So I have no idea what is that. As you see on the back of this unit, there is a lot of connectors. So these terminals here is like 6 by, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 terminals each. I'm not sure what the hell is it. Is this a power supply? Is this some sort of controller? Is this some sort of a data acquisition unit? No idea. So unfortunately, I couldn't find much information about this guy. So this is adaptable system controller ASC 1920B. Yeah. So probably gonna be separate video where I take this thing apart, or both of them, maybe they are different inside, to understand what is it. Unless you guys can, help me to understand what is it, but this seems to be kind of mystery device. And those 2 units are super heavy. Potentially, even if they are completely useless to me, like I cannot do anything with them, maybe they have some cool parts inside and we can salvage something interesting, like a power supply, transformers, capacitors probably gone, but maybe some cool semiconductors can be pulled out. Okay, let's move to another unit. So this Keithley a 706 scanner is a little bit more, has a little bit more information about it. So what is that? This is called scanner, but I would call it multiplexer. So this guy can control multiple cards, like technically 100 channels. There is a 10 cards and 10 channels each maximum. So this, what it does do, it can scan the bus and actually scan switch. For example, you can connect multiple, I guess, sensors to each 2 lines of this scanner, and this guy would be able to switch each individual line and read data through and consume data through this HPAB port. All right, so it has HPAB, so it consumes a whole bunch of sensors, multiplex them, switch them in the same time, acquire data, and send data through HPAB. So this is kind of cool unit, probably, outdated. Let me show you something. So well, I have not everything populated, but each unit contains this board, this card, which contains a whole bunch of relays. So essentially what it does, it just multiplexes all those inputs to here and acquire some data. I really like how this neatly done. So the board slides in the slot like this, and then you have this little levers here, then you just like this, and just place the board. Neat. So this is cool. So this is the front of the unit. Again, has a lot of controls, keyboards and the indicator here. So you can control and probably run different program, different acquisition things. Because it has HPAB, you probably could also control it from your computer or host. So host machine. So the last one, again, another kind of mysterious device, but I think I know what's happening here. Its brand is Digital Processing System. it's a remote control and the expansion system. I do believe that this remote control unit like this is one thing, and this expansion system is what's inside. So on the back, this thing has a whole bunch of BNC connectors labeled NTSC in and out. I do believe this is ancient video processing unit. So it takes some video data, and you can probably tweak signal because it has like a video red, blue, saturation, hue, recall, gen sub, gen hor. So it probably you able to tweak video signal using this device. And this is what for, and it has like 5 channels by like whole bunch of NTSC inputs and outputs, and also 3 channels of something, 3 cards of something else. So again, we're going to be looking inside this unit and kind of taking all this stuff apart to understand what's going on. But from what I got, just looking at that thing, it's some sort of video processing machine. I'm not sure, was it from studio or from somewhere else? Maybe it was from CCTV system, I do not know, but this is what we have. So this is definitely something related to video. This is something related to data acquisition, and this I have no idea. So guys, this is what I have. This is just an introduction, sort of unboxing of a whole bunch of hardware I got. Look, there's some hair over there. These guys are pretty dusty and need some cleaning, but would be very interesting to do video where I individually pull apart this unit and we together figure out what are they and if there are anything interesting inside. So guys, please stay tuned for more videos. At least gonna be 1, 2, 3 new videos about this sort of mysterious hardware. So stay tuned, stay safe, and ciao. See you next time.